Now let's get this workout in. Oh, that was a bad flex. I don't even know where my muscles are at today. Oh my goodness. That workout was epic. It was so intense to the point where my glutes went to failure. And I was telling Marsella that because I lost form at the end of it. And she basically said that that's a good thing. That means I basically worked till failure. And it means I'm going to be recruiting more muscle fibers. So it increases and produces more muscle growth. So I'm super excited for that. I was really focusing on visualizing those muscle fibers growing and them contracting and them moving. And this was just like a mindful workout. Like, working out is mindfulness. So it was really good. I'm super excited for that. This home workout journey has just been absolutely amazing. Just, if you want to start your weight loss journey, make it as convenient as possible. And the most convenient way to do it is to work out at home. That's what got me started. My home workout journey will be a stepping stone to greatness. Oh my goodness, such a good workout. Another day, another grind. I am ready to put in the work. This morning, I weighed in at 221 pounds exactly. Yesterday's weight, I was 222 pounds after having a cheat day. I had an epic cheat day a few days ago. I'm ready to get into the 220s, or the two teens. How do I say that? The two teens. Let's just call it the two teens. I'm ready to get into the two teens and stay in there. My lowest weight is 219 pounds. However, as you know, our weights fluctuate. I've got my live boot camp in less than an hour, so let's go. First things first, to get the day started, water. My fridge is empty. It will be full once the Walmart order comes in. But, oh, my gallon is all set. Weight loss tips. Water. I'm telling you, water is your best friend. Lighting. Drink a gallon of water a day if you are working out. Please do, because it really just flushes out your system. So I make sure I drink one of these bad boys every day. Water intake, guys, I highly recommend you get a gallon water bottle or a half-gallon water bottle. Keep track of the water you're drinking, because water has been helping me on this journey. Next tip, fiber. Fiber is your best friend. I'm constantly stuffing my face with vegetables all the time. Fiber from vegetables is key. Fiber from grains work too, but you want to get the fiber from the vegetables, from the dark leafy greens. That is definitely going to help bring that tummy down, for sure. So those are my 2 tips for today. Drink a gallon of water and stuff your face with vegetables. Drinking a gallon is hard, but it does fill you up. Major non-scale victory here, guys. I remember getting this shirt earlier in the year. It was so tight on me. Now it's loose. Like, that is insane. Like, this is a major non-scale victory. I don't know why there's all these dots on it, but like, it's loose on me. Like, honestly, don't only focus on the scale, guys. I personally think non-scale victories are way more powerful than scale victories. Why? Because they tell you the real result. For example, the scale can fluctuate. I know when I'm on my period, I will put on a good 8 to 10 pounds. Does that mean I put on 8 to 10 pounds of fat? No. The scale does not always tell the full story, but your clothing does. If your clothing's feeling loose, or if you're feeling overall more active, more fit, like you're able to go further in your workouts, that's progress. That is a major step. So don't worry too much about the scale. The scale is going to fluctuate. Just focus on the process. When you focus on the process, you will get things done. The results will come. Focus on the steps, the incremental stuff, like your workouts, your nutrition. Are you sticking to it? Focus on that. Don't let the scale distract you. I remember earlier on in my journey, I did that a lot, and it would discourage me, and I would just binge and restart a vicious cycle. The scale's a liar. You got this. Now let's get this workout in. Oh, that was a bad flex. I don't even know where my muscles are at today. That? I don't know. Let's go. Oh my goodness, guys. I went through a divine intervention with that workout. A part of me died. A part of me died and went to heaven. I didn't stop my watch, but let's stop it right now. I burned 583 calories in an hour. That is insane. Like, thank you so much, Marsella. And she said something in the workout that really resonated with me. She was like, you have to be able to push yourself. Push past your limits. You gotta get uncomfortable in order to grow. She sees people who work out all the time and they still look the same. Why? Because they're not pushing past their comfort zone. And boy, I certainly did this workout. I do every time, because when you push past that point, the old you is shedding away. And when the old you sheds away, you get stronger. You need to commit. You have to commit. It is not enough to just show up. You have to give it your all. Push yourself to your limits. And that is when the magic happens. while I was working out, my groceries came. Showered and dressed. Now it's time to eat. Oh my god, I look like an old woman. I look like a grandma with this. I don't know. This is so big on me, by the way. But I do love floral print. I'm a big fan of floral, but I feel like I look older. Like I look very quaint. I don't know. Anyway, let me change this look. I feel a little better. Anyway, I'm distracted now. Probably gonna put that back up because I'm gonna cook. Fridge. So the fridge is now relatively full. Not full, but there's food in it. I got some ground beef here. I'll be making this for a chili. Got some chicken breast here. I'll be making a chicken burrito bowl that I got off of the BOD website. Got some turkey. Like, turkey is life. And I'm just gonna mix that with some vegetables and make like a turkey stir fry. Now for my fiber sources, I've got cauliflower. Got 2 of them. Could have sworn I ordered 1, but sure. Big bag of spinach. I was not expecting this size. Like, Walmart is just absolutely amazing. You don't tell me that you can't eat healthy on a budget. You can. Just go to Walmart. Got some celery here. Green pepper. I got a bag of snap peas. Fiber is life, guys. Eat your greens if you want to shrink that core. All the greens, all the fiber in the world. Time to eat. Back with my old grandma look, but look. Post-workout meal, spinach, stuff your face with vegetables. And I had a protein shake immediately after my workout. So yeah.